After the module installation, first we need to go to the settings application. Then you need to open the users and companies. We can open the groups. Then search for company. Then you can see 3 groups over here. You need to add the users as per their roles. Okay, so next we need to go to the general settings and need to enter the OpenAI API key. You can get the API key from OpenAI Playground. So we will provide the link for that. Then you can generate the API key from there and save it. Okay, then first we can see the employee side overview. So I'm logging out and logging as the employee. Okay, so we need to open the employee application. Then need to select an employee. Okay, so we can see the feedback button over here. Any employee can give their feedbacks to their subordinates or colleagues, supervisors, etc. So for that we need to open the feedback section. Here you can see the employee name automatically fetched and the department also. We need to provide the feedback type. If the feedback provider peer or subordinate or supervisor, we need to select that, and the current username will be show as feedback provider. Okay, so we need to provide some feedbacks. We need to fill all these feedback details. Okay, you can see, so I have provided some sample feedbacks over here and the suggestions and the improvement areas, then the strengths and weakness, and the follow-up actions. Also we need to give the peer feedback here. So I'm giving as a positive feedback. Okay, yeah, okay, and save it. Okay, so the feedback has submitted successfully. Currently what happened is the employee Asmer is given a feedback about Abigail Peterson. So we can check the feedbacks from admin side. Admin can only see the feedbacks. So we can open, we can log in as an admin user. So log out. Okay. So open the employee application. And in the configuration menu, admin can see the feedback menu here or the feedback records here. Just need to click it. So you can see the Abigail Peterson feedback has submitted here. Okay, so you can see the all feedbacks over here. In order to check the potential successor, we need to open the AI analysis menu. We can see the employee successor menu over here. Just need to open that menu. Okay, so I have checked some samples here. We can check new potential successors. We need to create new record. Also, we need to select the departments. Currently, I have added the feedbacks for the employees in professional service department and the research development department. So we can select one of the department. I'm selecting professional service as the department. Okay, we can check the successes here. Just need to click this button. Okay, so you can see AI has recommended the potential successes over here, and the AI response will show up here. Based on the all employee feedbacks, AI will identify the potential successes for critical roles and plan for leadership continuity. It's by the department wise. So currently we have checked for professional service, and we can check another record under potential successor also. Okay, here I'm selecting the department as research and development. So we can check the update success here. Okay, you can see 2 persons are the potential success, and the reason is showed here.